Somebody's listening right now. What are 5 things they can do to lower their taxes immediately?
Well, you're going to have to take those steps before the end of the year, not going into the new year. I mean, I don't know about 5 things necessarily, but first of all, you can make charitable contributions up to the end of the year. If you've got you've got some money you want to spend on charity, now's the time to do that. You'll get that deduction. If you're under the SALT cap, the state and local income tax cap, which is $10,000, pay your state taxes by the end of the year. You get a deduction for state taxes when you pay them. So a lot of people don't pay their state taxes until they file their tax return in April. Well, now you've delayed the deduction for a whole nother year. The other thing is making a contribution to a retirement plan. You've got certainly till the end of the year to do that, but I think most retirement plans, Josh, you probably know this better than I do, can be funded up through April 15th, the time of the due date of the tax return. But the sooner you do it, the sooner you get the benefit of the growth, right? So keep those things in mind. The advice that I give to small businesses all the time, particularly small businesses, is very important to start looking at your total 2024 profit and loss picture right now. All right. What was my income? What were my expenses in 2024? What's my bottom line? Because small businesses have the responsibility to make estimated tax payments over the course of the year. The last fourth quarter estimated payment is due January 15th, and you have a responsibility to pay 90% of the current year's taxes, that'd be 2024, or 100% of last year's taxes, that'd be 2023, whichever is less through the estimated tax system. All right. So small businesses, two problems with small businesses that I see routinely. Number one, they haven't made their estimated payments, and so the first time they know about what their tax liability is going to be is when they get their tax return back from their accountant, and the accountant says, "Oh, by the way, you owe the IRS $13,000, 13 grand. I had no idea." Now they're blindsided, right? So that happens. Then what happens is they get themselves on the tax debt treadmill. And what I mean by that is they're using current tax revenue.